Japanese temple bell bronze Buddhist. You will receive this really cool wooden striker also. That's new. Right, let's have a look at this. Now the consensus is that this is 1930s or thereabouts, so it could be 20s, could be 40s, but around that time frame. And it's a beauty. Now you can see it's got paint flecks on it, which means it's gone through the change of the bell ceremony. So when they commission, when another bell is commissioned for the temple, they go through the ceremony. Now it's perfect. It's gorgeous. Sometimes, you know, they people present a bell to the temples, you see, and therefore they on rare occasions another bell is decommissioned through its ceremony. And let's not listen to me anymore. I'm going to use the chamfer right here and gorgeous. It's really nice. You can see casting lines all through it. There's no cracks. It's really beautiful. It's a fantastic bell. And you can see some paint up there, you see? Really nice. Let's do this. Oh, that was a very light strike. Great reverberation. Exquisite. Ooh, you can hear that, yeah? This is truly a good bell. I haven't experimented much with striking this one actually, so which, you know, how much power and to get exactly what you want. Ooh, that's good. There you are. That is a brilliant piece. Brilliant piece indeed. Right, now I'm going to get on to this piece here, and that will be a separate listing. Get on to that very soon. Okay, right, as I say, you will receive this striker also with it. A fantastic piece, nice and rare, real deal. There you are. Okay, alright, that's that. And make sure you check out some other Buddhist objects and things. You'll find that I will soon be listing some. I've been going through like that and some few other places and to kind of find some of my stuff that I have. It's just somewhere. Okay, so great. This is beautiful. Okay, that's that.